Hello everyone, welcome to my forest kitchen. Today we're making the most adorable and delicious marshmallow cookies. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need soft butter, brown and granulated sugar, an egg, flour, starch, baking powder, vanilla, a pinch of salt, chocolate chips, biscuits, square chocolates, and marshmallows. First, let's cream our butter and sugars together. Beat them until they're light and fluffy. This creates the perfect base for our cookies. Now add your egg and mix well. Then it's time for the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix your dough. Fold in your chocolate chips. Now, we need to chill this soft dough in the fridge for at least 20 minutes to make it easier to work with. While we wait, let's prepare our bases. Place a chocolate square on each biscuit, and then top it with a fluffy marshmallow. This is the secret to the gooey center. Now for the fun part. Take a scoop of dough and gently wrap it around the marshmallow, sealing it at the bottom. This will create a beautiful cookie dome. Bake these beauties at 170 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. They'll be soft when they come out, so let them cool completely on the tray. And there you have it, perfectly soft and gooey marshmallow cookies. They pair wonderfully with a warm cup of coffee. Enjoy and happy baking!